Hey guys, good morning. Today I'm filming a room tour. So I recently moved. I have hardwood floors. Some of my friends have noticed recently that I've been posting on my Snapchat or like my Instagram about my new room and stuff. So I just wanted to show you guys. I'm just gonna do a room tour. I'm gonna do it by myself. Yeah, I'm gonna be going into detail where I got some of this stuff, if I know, because like some of my furniture is like kind of old, so I don't really know where a lot of it's from. A lot of it is like gifts though, as you'll see throughout the room tour. And I'm just filming this on Snapchat because I kind of just like got up a few minutes ago, and you know, it'd be really fun to like film a room tour, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Did you guys just see that? Did you guys just hear that? Anyways, this is some painter's tape that I put for my name on, just so when people would know what box to go for which room. So yeah, this is my room. So as you can see, when you open up the door, it's like these bright windows, and then we have my bed. I downsized from a full-size bed to a twin-size bed because this room is actually smaller, but I like it a lot. It's a lot more cozy. I have my light on. Okay, so let's just start over here at the desk. So when you walk in, you have this desk right here. Oh yeah, yesterday I went to come to tea, so I'm gonna keep this for my little trash can. I went with my friend, and I have my wallet and my keys. I have this Amazon dot box that, wait, let me give you a quick overview. How unorganized. Okay. This was from like a furniture store, I'm not sure. This was also from like some furniture I'm not sure about. This was a gift for my 18th birthday. This is my Apple Pencil, and this is my Apple Watch that I got for Christmas, and this I got throughout the spring semester, my freshman year of college. This was a gift from my friend, not my friend, my cousin, Kim, and she also gave me some Tumble dual brush pens. And so I got some other ones from my other friend on my 18th birthday, and this is a lamp. This is the IKEA Alex 9 drawers, and I have hanging here some of my necklaces. This is my water bottle I got from Starbucks. I found this lotion in my bathroom, so I just got it. And oh, I just have some gum here. I have my stapler. I have a mason jar for when I drink my water or my matcha lattes with almond milk. So a lot of these are like gifts. These are gifts. This is just like a box that I got as a gift. This is a gift. This is my Amazon Dot, and right now I currently have it unplugged because I don't want like Amazon to stalk me, and also because I don't have Wi-Fi, so like every time I try to connect, it's that annoying dun, like Alexa's not connected to the internet. I have to like go on the app or whatever. Oh, I kind of just like labeled them like what they were for. It's like for tech and stuff. Yeah. Oh, this is my mini trash can. Isn't it cute? I got it from TJ Maxx. So, oh, these are my lights, and I'll show you that in a little. I have scrunchies on my closet, and under my nightstand I have all my books. So as you can see, I just have a whole bunch of books here. I'll pull it out. Yeah, books, because I don't have drawers, so I just thought that would be just useful. And then on my nightstand I have my lamp, I have my chargers for my Apple Watch and my iPad Pro with the pencil and my MacBook. And right here is the remote to turn on the lights. So right there I just have it on a fade option. So that fade option, yeah, and then it just changes colors. It's super cool, especially at night. Oh, that's my sister's room. So I'll put this down. Alright, and this is my bed. I got this as a gift, but it says it's from Target. And then right here, I still have my full-size comforter, but I just folded it for my twin bed, but it's actually really comfy. I got it from Amazon. And then I have another comforter underneath, which is from IKEA. And it's really nice. I just got this from like some furniture store that my family got. Yeah. So this is my hello sign. Over here, my curtains that I got from Macy's. I have a really great view. I'm not going to show you everything. Down there is our deck. So we have a deck now. And then I got these flowers from Michael's, and I just hung 2 of them on top, like I did in my old room too. Okay, moving over onto this side. Oh, I have my mirror over there. So this is a bookshelf that my sister didn't want, so I was like, okay, I'll get it. And she didn't want this mirror too, so I was like, okay, I'll have it. I just have like some gift boxes up there, my diploma, a picture of my friends from high school, and I have this sign. It says mahal kita or whatever, and this basically means I love you in Tagalog. And then this is a book that I got from my honors program, but I haven't given it back yet since I'm planning on reading it over the summer. Hopefully that works out. And I just have a collection of just some of my bags, like for every day. You know, a more neutral, smaller one, a more handy, but I don't know. It's from like K-Speed, and I got it for my graduation. My mom gave it to me as a graduation gift, and I was gonna also be working in the office, so I needed a bag like that. I just have my other bag that I got from one of my birthdays, and this is one I got for my birthday recently. It just has like some potential decor pieces. I'm in the process of remaking my closet, so I have some wires down there, and maybe in this area, I don't know, I might plan to put like a little vanity where I can get ready instead of always standing up to get ready. Since it's right in front of the window, I think I get really good light, so maybe a little table here in the future, but I don't know. I have a stool here, and just like, I use this to hang up my lights. And then I also have a bag that I use for moving. I kept my tops in there, but now I just have an extra comforter, and I have another pillow in there too. So yeah, I just keep some of my fragrances, and I have this collection of water bottles because I just have them in my room if I don't want to go all the way downstairs to get another water bottle. Yeah, so moving on. Oh, I just have like a projector and another little gift box there. This is my kind of getting ready bookshelf, so this is where like I get ready for the day. I put on my contacts, I do my makeup, I do my skincare. Right here I have some like sunglasses and my regular glasses, and then like a case for when I bring it, and then this is a fan for when I do like my setting spray, or like when I use like this mist, I just like fan myself. And then over here just have some display for like some boxes. I always put like extra change in here. It's not really a tissue box, but I have a little piggy bank, and yeah, it's like broken and ripped up, but yeah, I just keep like extra change in here. And I don't know where this bookshelf is from. It's really old. And yeah, I just have my other bag for when I tutor. Over here, under my bag, I have some like other like lesson plans when I teach Sunday school, or if I just have my regular private tutoring sessions. I just have extra, so I'll just put it in my bag if I need it when I go. My makeup brushes, my mirror. This mirror is from Costco. It lights up. My contacts. And then I have my mirror right here. I'm not going to show myself because I'm literally in my PJs. So yeah, this was my room tour. Yeah, every time a new person comes in here, like one of my friends, if they come in here again, I just give them a little room tour. Oh, we're here. This is the back of my door, and so I just have some of the things I wore to my high school graduation. This is from, let me see, the National Society of High School Scholars, which is like literally a scam. This is the Academy of Finance, and this is for getting the IB diploma. I did the career program, and that's my towel, and I have 7 stoles, and I have 3 of these things. This is for the Academy of Finance. So, yep, that was, oh, I forgot to show, this is my rug. I got this from Home Depot for only like $10. And that's my closet. I just put some scrunchies on it. Yeah, so this was my room. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do one more last quick overview. Thanks, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video if you liked it. If you have any questions, and I'll reply to you. Subscribe if you want to. Bye. Sorry, my voice, like, I feel a little sick. No, I'm healed.